very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Binance is removing 14 tokens from its exchange on April 16, 2025 at 3 UTC. After that, trading for those tokens will stop. Users can still take out their tokens until June 9, 2025, but they won't be able to deposit or trade them anymore. This move comes after Binance's first ever vote to delist, where users helped pick which tokens should be reviewed. Binance also did its own checks before deciding. During the vote, more than 103,000 votes were sent in from over 24,000 users. After filtering out fake or invalid votes, around 93,000 were counted. Troy got 4,985 votes to be removed and SNT got 3,533. Tokens like Badger and Ball also made to the list. Cboe BZX exchange has asked United States regulators for clearance to list an exchange-traded fund backed by SUI, the native token of the SUI network, public filings show. The request submitted on April 8th must be reviewed and approved by the US Securities and Exchange Commission before the exchange can list any shares of the fund. If approved, the ETF issued by asset manager Canary Capital would be the first in the country to hold SUI. The token has a market capitalization of roughly $6.5 billion, according to CoinMarketCap. The US Department of Justice has disbanded its National Cryptocurrency Enforcement Team effective immediately, narrowing its focus on crypto enforcement. The DOGE will stop prosecuting crypto exchanges and services for regulatory violations, focusing instead on criminal activities involving digital assets. This move follows President Trump's executive order aiming to provide regulatory clarity for the crypto industry. Investment manager Ark Invest, which is known for buying the dip when markets go south, has purchased 199,401 Coinbase shares in the past 3 days. The Cathy Wood-run company bought 83,157 shares of the crypto exchange on Friday, followed by 84,514 and 31,730 on Monday and Tuesday, respectively, according to the company's daily email statements. Based on closing prices, the shares would have cost a total of $31.51 million. They are now valued at $29.3 million based Tuesday's close. Coinbase shares have fallen over 15% in the last week as both cryptocurrency and equity markets tumbled following the steep import tariffs imposed by US President Donald Trump. Bitget, a cryptocurrency exchange, plans to burn 30 million BGB tokens worth approximately $120 million in its first quarterly burn of 2025. The burn mechanism has been updated to a utility-based model, which links the amount of BGB burned to the token's usage for on-chain gas fees via Bitget's Get Gas accounts. In Q1 2025, around 6,943 BGB were added to the Get Gas accounts, prompting the large burn. This move aims to reduce the token's total supply, potentially boosting the remaining token's value. BGB is currently trading at $4.07, down about 2.5% in the last 24 hours and is still over 50% below its all-time high of $8.45. Mantra Chain has launched the Mantra Ecosystem Fund, a $108.8 million initiative to support blockchain projects within the Mantra ecosystem over the next 4 years. Backed by investors like Laser Digital, Shuruk, and Amber Group, the fund focuses on tokenizing real-world assets and supporting teams at all stages of development. MEF aims to foster collaboration, provide capital and resources, and drive blockchain adoption. This initiative follows Mantra's achievement of securing a virtual asset service provider license from Dubai's WARA, enabling it to operate as a cryptocurrency exchange and offer investment services. Aavegotchi, the DeFi-enabled NFT game platform, is migrating from the Polygon network to Base, Coinbase's Ethereum Layer 2 solution, following a governance vote with 93% community approval. This strategic move aims to leverage Base's faster transaction, lower fees, and integration with Coinbase's infrastructure, positioning Aavegotchi for growth in the Web3 gaming space. The migration includes a full cloning of Aavegotchi in NFTs, wearables, and in-game assets on Base, while assets on Polygon will become view-only. Smart contracts are undergoing an audit and the migration is expected to complete in 4 to 6 weeks. As part of this transition, Aavegotchi will also decommission its Layer 3 network, Geist, consolidating resources on Base for better efficiency. Octane, a San Francisco-based startup founded in 2023 by Giovanni Vignon, aims to improve blockchain security using AI-powered code auditing. With over $11 billion lost to cyber attacks in the blockchain industry, Octane's solution integrates into GitHub pipelines, helping developers identify vulnerabilities in real time as they write code. This AI tool flags potential exploits, allowing teams to address critical bugs early. Octane recently closed a $6.7 million funding round led by Winklevoss Capital and Ark, with additional participation from notable investors like Gemini and Circle. Initially focused on Solidity and Ethereum virtual machine compatible projects, Octane plans to expand support to other blockchains including Solana. Ethereum's decentralized exchange activity has significantly slowed, with daily unique traders dropping to around 40,000 addresses, a 12-month low, down from a peak of 95,000 in late 2024. This decline aligns with a broader market cooling and reduced speculative investment in the cryptocurrency space. Uniswap remains the dominant DEX on Ethereum, far surpassing smaller platforms like SushiSwap, which only sees about 2,000 daily active users. Trading volumes have fallen to $57 billion in March 2025, down from $112 billion in December 2024. This reduction is attributed to both lower user activity and smaller trade sizes. Despite this decline, decentralized exchanges still account for 13% of total spot trading volume, continuing a gradual upward trend. New York may soon explore blockchain technology for securing its electoral process. Assembly member Clyde Vannell introduced Assembly Bill A7716, which directs the New York State Board of Elections to study how blockchain could protect voter data and election results. The bill describes blockchain as an immutable, decentralized, and secure system that preserves an uncensored truth and requires a report on its effectiveness within 1 year. The bill, currently under review by the Assembly Election Law Committee, could gain momentum due to growing national interest in blockchain for public sector applications. If passed, it would require collaborations between the Board of Elections and experts in blockchain, cybersecurity, and election systems. That's all in this bulletin for now. This is Muchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3 TV. And for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3TV.io or scan the QR code.